How to reset T-Mobile Home Internet password. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile Home Internet Wi-Fi password quickly and easily. Step 1. Access your router settings. Connect your device to your T-Mobile Home Internet Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and type http://192.168.12.1 in the address bar, then press enter. Step 2. Log in to the router. Enter your admin username and password. If you haven't changed these, the default login info is usually O username, admin, O password, admin, or check the label on your router. Step 3. Find Wi-Fi settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings or wireless section. Look for Wi-Fi password, SSID, or security settings. Step 4. Change your Wi-Fi password. Enter your new desired password in the Wi-Fi password field. Make sure it's strong and secure. Save or apply the changes. Step 5. Reconnect your devices. After changing the password, you'll need to reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi password. Bonus tip: reset router to factory settings. If you can't log in, press and hold the reset button on your router for about 10 seconds. This will restore factory defaults, including the default Wi-Fi password printed on the router labels. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.